Hey guys, how are you guys doing during this difficult COVID pandemic? Many businesses and products have failed during this pandemic, but there is one product which disappeared as quickly as it reached the shelves. No, guys, I'm not talking about the masks. Of course, masks are mandatory and stuff, but there is one more product which soared exponentially. I'm talking about the hand sanitizer. After a century defining pandemic, it's a no brainer why hand sanitizers are going to remain popular throughout this decade. Ideally, medical experts suggest that washing hands with soap and water for at least 15 seconds minimizes the spread of COVID. But what will you do when there is no soap and water available? Yes, a medically approved alcohol based hand sanitizer. FDA recommends minimum 60% of alcohol based content which is required to kill germs and bacteria off your hands. Also, when selling any COVID related products, there are numerous guidelines laid out by FDA as well as WHO to maintain the efficacy of the product. If these products aren't approved by any governing body, chances are instead of preventing the infection, it can do the more damage. The market is flooded with so many hand sanitizers out there that it becomes very difficult for the average user to choose the correct one. Now, what's the solution of the problem? It's just one word for the solution: trust. And what better than Cipla when it comes to maintaining and keeping your trust? Presenting Cip Hands, antiseptic hand sanitizer from Cipla. Rinse free, non sticky, non greasy, and just so amazing. Of course, it is medically tested to kill 99.9% germs and bacteria without soap and water. Isn't it amazing? And the best part? It is so compact. You can just put it in your pocket, in your bag, in your travel bag, in your car, in your sports bag, anywhere. Third, just put a coin sized liquid on your palm and rub it briskly. Until they're completely dry. Use Cip Hands from Cipla and you have a powerful weapon in your fight against COVID.